In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar private if you want to keep your schedule, appointments, and personal events from being visible to other people. Google Calendar gives you a simple way to adjust those privacy settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to change, so your calendar is no longer publicly available and is only shared with the people you choose. To begin, open Google Calendar in a computer browser. It's important to do this on a desktop or laptop browser, because the full sharing and privacy settings are easier to access there than on mobile. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the section called My Calendars. This is where you'll see the calendars connected to your account. Find the specific calendar you want to make private. Next to that calendar's name, click the 3 vertical dots. This opens a small menu with additional options for managing that calendar. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the main page where all of that calendar's visibility and sharing options are stored. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This section controls whether your calendar can be seen publicly or more broadly than you intend. If the box for Make Available to Public is checked, that means your calendar can be viewed publicly, depending on the other settings applied. To make your calendar private, uncheck that box. After that, continue reviewing the sharing options on the same page. Look for the section called Share with Specific People. If there are people listed there that you no longer want to have access, remove them from the calendar. This is an important step because even if the calendar is no longer public, specific users can still have access if they've been added manually. As a final tip, take a moment to carefully review who still has permission to view or manage your calendar. Privacy settings are most effective when you double-check both public access and individual sharing. Once those changes are made, your calendar will be more secure and visible only to the people you decide to keep on the list. And that's how to make Google Calendar private.